Hello and welcome back to Delicious Hugs. Today we are making leftover barbecue chicken nachos. Let's get started by shredding our chicken. I'm using a rotisserie chicken on today, but you can use whatever barbecue leftovers that you have, whether it be chicken or brisket, pulled pork, pulled chicken, ground beef, or ground turkey. Whatever you had left over from your barbecue, add that to your chicken nachos. Then what you're going to do is start seasoning the pulled meat. So I wanted a little spice. I started with the cayenne. Then take your favorite barbecue spice rub and add that as well. And also some smoked paprika. That's just going to add some more smoky flavor to the meat. And your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using sweet and spicy on today, but you can also use a mustard base or whichever sauce that you prefer. Add enough to your liking, mix well until combined. Then we're going to get started on the baked beans. Again, if you have these left over in the fridge, just pull them out and heat them up. I'm cooking mine, so I'm going to start with some onions and peppers. Simply give that a seasoning with salt and pepper and a little crushed red pepper flakes. Go ahead and heat your beans up in your pan over medium-high heat. Then we're going to start adding some Worcestershire sauce, some apple cider vinegar, some yellow mustard, some barbecue sauce, and a little bit of brown sugar. Mix those ingredients until combined. Then go back in with your onions and peppers. I did chop those up because some people don't like vegetables, but if you chop them up really small, they can't really tell what's in the recipe. Just cover that, reduce the heat, and let that simmer for about 30 minutes. And now we can assemble the nachos. Start with your favorite brand of tortilla chips. Add those. Then go in with your pulled meat. Add a layer of shredded cheese, heated queso, baked beans, pico de gallo. I love the freshness from the tomato, peppers, and onions. And then you simply do another layer. Tortilla chips, pulled meat, baked beans, shredded cheese, queso, pico de gallo, and then drizzle some of that barbecue sauce right on top. And if you would like a little heat, you can also add some pickled jalapeno. And that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, bye-bye.